JP again with LeBel Landscaping. Today we're releasing our gravel video. Gravel's a great choice for high-end landscape beds, and it's also good for areas that have high traffic or areas that you want to be low maintenance. So check it out. Let us know what you think. At LeBel Landscaping, installing gravel the right way makes all the difference. Gravel and decorative stone are some of the most practical, durable, and attractive options for driveways, pathways, drainage solutions, and landscape beds. They're low maintenance, long lasting, and perfectly suited for Florida's climate. But a professional gravel installation involves much more than just spreading rock. Every project begins with proper preparation. We carefully grade and level the areas, remove debris, and create a stable, compacted base. This critical step prevents seeking, shifting, and uneven surfaces over time. If the area will not include plantings, we install professional-grade landscape fabric beneath the gravel. This weed barrier keeps unwanted growth down and prevents the stone from mixing into the soil below, ensuring a cleaner, long-lasting installation. For areas where plants are part of the design, we take a different approach. Instead of fabric, we apply a granular pre-emergent weed control to help suppress weed growth while still allowing proper soil conditions for healthy plant roots. Finally, we spread and shape premium gravel or decorative stone to create a clean, polished, and professional, built to stand the test of time look. Whether you need improved drainage, a refreshed landscape look, or a functional hardscape solution, gravel is a smart and cost-effective choice. From start to finish, LeBel Landscaping handles every detail so you get results that look great and perform even better. LeBel Landscaping, quality you can see, craftsmanship you can trust.